Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be cooking my ackee and saltfish. Breadfruit was cooked last week, part 1 video. This week part 2 video is cooking the ackee and saltfish. So here I'm cleaning them up and getting it ready to cook. Alright. So in order to clean up the ackee, you have to get rid of the red things inside the seed. It must be clean and pretty when you're finished. So remove everything from the ackee that is not supposed to be in it and get it ready. Wash them and get them ready to cook. Alright, so I'm cleaning them up now, guys. So as soon as I'm finished, I'm gonna get the pot ready. Jamaica National dish. Ackee and saltfish is Jamaica National dish. That's why I love it so much. I love it with my roast breadfruit fried dumpling. I did a video on it already, but I'm going to do this one, and this one is going to combine with the breadfruit. So stay tuned as I show you my method of cooking ackee and saltfish. And there you have it, guys, all clean up and ready to cook. All right. The pot is now on the fire. I'm getting it boiled up before adding my ackee to it. So yes. I've added a bit of salt with it, and I've added my ackee in, so it's now on the fire. My ackee is now ready to cook up, so I'm gonna get the saltfish ready and the seasoning. And in the interest of time, guys, I've cooked my saltfish and cleaned it up, so it's ready. I'm getting ready my season. I have onion, tomato, sweet pepper, garlic, and hot pepper. So there you go. So I'm gonna get my pot ready. Next thing, guys, my pot is now on the fire. I'm allowing it to heat up before adding my oil. So that's the next step. The pot is now ready, so I've added my oil. So next I'm gonna add in my seasoning. I'm just ensuring that the seasoning is cooked properly before adding the ackee and the saltfish. I'm now adding the ackee and saltfish to the season, and I'm gonna allow this to cook. I'm gonna add some black pepper, a little seasoning to spice it up, and just allow it to cook. All right. I'm just going to cover this now and allow everything to cook together before my ackee and saltfish is ready. All right, guys. And there you have it, guys. All done and ready. All done. Ackee and saltfish is now ready to be eaten with the breadfruit that was roast from last week. So here you have it. Ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. I have now added some slices of pear, otherwise known as avocado. So go ahead and try this breakfast. It's gonna be lovely. Just tasting this breakfast. My, yummy, yummy, yummy. It's delicious. So guys, go ahead and try out this breakfast. You will love it. Remember to like my video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think about this dish. This is my favorite. I hope it's your favorite too. Go ahead and try it out. Video part 1 is there, and now video part 2. Go ahead and try this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please remember to watch these 2 other videos at the end of this video. Thank you. Bye.